Okay, on this video I'm going to teach you guys on how to join a Discord server and also where to search for these jobs, where to get new projects to hunt for jobs. First, let me go to Collab channel. There's this server I do get some new projects, some low projects. As you can see, this is a Collab server where a lot of Collab managers do drop different projects. So let me come to this Ethereum search Collab. Right, my network is not good. Okay, as you can see, if you want to get into a project, like you want to project, kindly go for projects with low members. Like this one with 600 members is okay to go for. Don't go for project with like 70,000 members. No, they don't need your services. Kindly go for a project that is just coming up, like this one with the low members is very okay. Or this one with 4k members, don't go for them. Go for a project that might need your services. Let me go for this Crypto Alliance Grand Club. Here's how to join a Discord server. Kindly click on join. Then we take you to this page. Click on this three arrow at your left hand side on your screen. Then click on verification, because you need to verify yourself before you can get full access into the server. I think I'm verified now. Yes, there are general chats. So bots. So yeah, so that's how to join the Discord server. I think someone also posts a link on my group. Let me join the Discord server too here. Let me see when we post a link. Okay. Click on accept invites. To join the Discord server is very easy. Then verify yourself and you are done.